and welcome to the channel. We are still looking mid-season lilies. This dwarf one is called Miracle. It's a dwarf longiflorum, and some of the plants have 4 or 5 buds, so that's nice. And soon Formolingi Prime Eyes is going to open. Still a lot of tea hybrids are flowering, and as you can see, some of my crosses are taking. So this one swelled, this is started to swell, and of course the unfertilized ones will be broken off. But I have to use bleach to clean my hands for that, because I don't want to spread viruses. You can see here that Phytophthora is striking again, which is not nice, but you know, it's life. These are plants and they don't live forever. So lovely tetraploid trumpets and diploid trumpets, and this is a new one. It's called Double Princess, at least new for me, and you can see wasps on the flowers. This is called Polistes gallicus. We call it French wasp. Oleum's looking nice, and the candidums are finishing up. So I stopped watering them a week ago, and now they are just there dehydrating. And I have a lovely tetra trumpet, but this doesn't have a good stem strength. You can see a stem is just flipping out, so it's not the best one. And I have some gorgeous seedlings. This is a nice trumpet seedling, and the lilies and the tetraploid Asiatics are here. More Asiatics, and I like this one. I think it's called Red Hill. Oh, I have to check the name tag. No, it's called Red Life. So it's a nice trumpet one, turban one. And I have the triploid and tetraploid trumpets. So this one is Miss Peculiar. It is registered as a trumpet, OT hybrid, but it's a trumpet. You can see the leaves. It's a tetraploid trumpet. This is a tetraploid OT hybrid, so the leaves are much different. Okay, and this is also a triploid OT hybrid, Black Beauty. So some nice TAs and LA hybrids, and some wasps. Oh, and look, I have a double sunflower starting to bloom, and more LA hybrids and the trumpets. And this is one of my favorite trumpet hybrids. It's called White Planet, so it's a totally upright. And this is Yellow Planet. It should be upright, but it's side facing. And this one is an old German cultivar called Schellenbaum from 1974. And oh, there's an old German cultivar at the back. This is a nice trumpet from the Baltics. Nice Asiatic from the Baltic. Tango Asiatic. And this is called Sommersonne. So it looks like a tetraploid version of Pollyanna. Very similar, but it's a different cultivar. Okay. Dutch design, it's also a lovely double Asiatic. An interesting sunflower. So some nice Asiatics. Some sunflowers have these cactus-like rolled flowers. What is this? Okay, so it's also a lovely Baltic cultivar, and these are all the Baltic Asiatics. I like this one very much. It's a spider. Oh, and I also like this one. Good colors. Oh, and I didn't know this one first. It's Evina. It's also a TA hybrid. And I have some seedlings in flower. So these are longiflorum crosses. And some strawberries are ripening. Some seedlings. So this is a tetra trumpet, pink. This is also another tetra trumpet with big buds. Oh, and my cultivar pistachio is opening. Very nice. I like it. It's a green trumpet. And there are still some flowers which I have to discard, because actually these are going for their bulbs, not for their flowers. And so I also have some Phytophthora infection in the Martagons. And I have some lovely double dwarf Asiatics, double LA hybrids. But I especially like this one. It's called Amber Waves, and it's a copper colored LA hybrid. Oh, this one looks also very nice. Lovely, lovely flowers. This was registered as Coral County, and maybe it's an LA because the tepals are so wide. I don't know. So that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.